Okay, I've done a factory reset on the TV, and if I don't do anything, you're going to see the Easy Manager comes up when you do a factory reset or when you take a TV out of the box for the first time, and it starts on its own. Now, it's saying it's going to take 55 seconds right now, or basically it starts at a minute. So instead of waiting for that, I'm just going to click Next. You're going to see also that the TV has already started to look for channels. I've got your data channel set on data channel 100. So it already found data channel 100, and now it's going to retrieve the files from that. So it's getting the application file right now. It takes a little bit of time, not a lot, but it will download, they call it a gem file, the application file, that actually delivers the ProCentric portal. However, I've got the portal turned off because your pillow speakers don't have a portal button, OK button, enter button, or even a guide button on there. So we're going to let this download. And then you're going to see that it's going to look for maintenance files. Now, your maintenance files are the programming files for the TV. And then also the splash screen file that, even though it's already loaded in there, had we changed it, it would actually go in and change. It's going to grab both of those, and you're going to see that it will start downloading those files. It won't take too long. Once they turn green, which you see in the lower right, the TV is programmed. Now, instead of letting it turn off, which it will do on its own, if you've got a new TV, all you have to do is connect the coax, plug the TV in, turn it on, it'll program itself, turn itself off. An existing TV that's already programmed will actually wake up between 2 and 3 in the morning, and it'll look for a download and program it. If it's turned off, it will not wake up in the background. It will wake up in the background. It will not turn the TV on. If it's on, it's just wait till the next day or the next time it's turned off to program itself. Now, that little help icon, I'm going to see if I can turn that off. Basically, you see it pops up. If somebody pushes guide now, we're going to your in-house channel guide, which is located on channel 50. If I turn that help icon off, because your pillow speakers don't have a button to actually tell you to tune to it, then pretty much your patients are just going to have to know to go to channel 50 to get the guide, or we're going to have to tell the TVs to turn on to channel 50. And we can do whatever. I just know the care channel wanted to be really close to the startup channel. So I can move the care channel to channel 51 if you'd like. You just have to let me know what you really want, how you want these programmed.